the most luxurious and private retreat is waiting for you in California. Welcome to Wander Sonoma Creek. I'm Frankie, and I'm gonna take you around the sprawling 5.96 acre cabin compound that has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, an outdoor gym, an in-ground pool and hot tub, and so much more. This is the perfect home for entertaining and large groups with over 2,000 square feet of living space. Wander Sonoma Creek is quintessential wine country living at its finest. So come on, y'all, let's go inside. As soon as you step on through those doors, you will be stunned by this grand entrance. I mean, this is the most amazing way to come on into a space. You have not one, but 2 living rooms in this home. The first one's gonna be right here when you step through those doors. It has high cathedral-like white paneled ceilings with exposed A-frame wooden beams that add a beautiful rustic charm to the modern aesthetic in here. And those beams have metal paneling that add a really nice industrial touch to this space as well. You're gonna find dark, polished wood flooring, very comfortable chairs that are so plush, accented with gorgeous patterns and pops of oranges and reds that just really contrast beautifully against our neutral tones. And I have to point out in this space the massive, gorgeous chandelier that hangs right from the middle of the ceiling. It adds a really nice ambient light along with your natural light you're gonna get in here from your surrounding windows and doors. And then right on the side of that, you can open the massive sliding barn doors into your second living space that is oh so stylish. You're gonna find so many different patterns and textures within this room that pair with very earthy neutral tones in here as well, of browns, beiges, whites, and you have those pops of color in here as well with yellows and oranges. But the most amazing part about this space is your massive gas fireplace that adds a metaphorical and literal warmth into this room. I mean, just imagine cozied up next to this fire with a nice book or a glass of wine, and you can enjoy those right on your L-shaped, super plush, comfortable couch here, accompanied with a large paned window letting in some beautiful natural light into the space. And then for added entertainment, you're gonna find a large wall-mounted TV right above the most gorgeous cabinet here. Check this out. This is so unique. This is covered with a textured wood spike on the doors here. I mean, so cool. I've never seen that before. And you also have plenty of books and games and beautiful decor on your exposed bookshelf. Now your kitchen here is so stunning, and I cannot say that word enough in this house. As soon as I walked in here, it absolutely took my breath away. It's so bright with your white cabinetry all the way throughout that are all accented with gold metal pieces, just like all of your sinks you're gonna find in here as well, that add a beautiful blend of modern and traditional elements. I absolutely love that. You have a large kitchen island in the center here with a marble countertop and hand-woven bar stools with enough seating for 6. And then right up above that, you're gonna notice your exposed wooden beams in here, adding to the cabin feel, as well as a super unique circular light fixture up above that adds a really, really nice ambient light, especially as the light is starting to go down outside. In this kitchen, you will find plenty of high-end appliances, just like your Wolf gas range stove, your fridge that blends seamlessly into your kitchen design, and of course in here you have a wine fridge. Now right behind our main kitchen, as soon as you spot the beautiful French poster here, you will walk right on into an additional smaller kitchen if you just need some extra space while you're here. You have plenty of cabinet space back here and different appliances such as your so important coffee bar. And the highlight of your kitchen is of course your sliding accordion doors that open right on out to our grand backyard space, but we'll get there soon. This kitchen is supplied with everything you need to cook yourself a fabulous meal. But if you are looking for a break in cooking, you can have our Wander concierge recommend a wonderful private local chef in the area to come here and cook for you and your guests. And whenever you're ready to enjoy that meal, you can sit right at those bar stools on the island we just saw, or you can dine in our beautiful, beautiful dining room that has a wooden table that seats 10, accompanied with one of those rustic, beautiful chandeliers we saw when we first entered the home. Or you can dine al fresco at our wooden dining room table that seats 8 on our outdoor patio that has a barbecue for grilling. As soon as you step on out from the dining room, you will find our very luxurious white stone double level patio. On the very top here, you have 2 sets of rocking chairs where you can sit back and relax with a nice cocktail, enjoying your gorgeous wander views. You have an outdoor gym space and a ping pong table for some added extra fun. And then stepping on down, you're gonna find our amazing in-ground pool and hot tub, accompanied with lounging chairs and umbrellas. So you can take a dip in these beautiful crystal clear waters, have some fun in the sun, or lounge in the shade if you wish. I think this is the perfect place to just relax with a nice glass of wine, watch the sunset, or even the sunrise. Now this home sits on top of a lot of land here, so there is plenty of space to walk around and explore. If you're here with kids, they can run around and play, but you also will find a full-size bocce ball court here, where you really can create some special memories and have some friendly competition. Your contemporary primary bedroom here is so bright and large, with your windows and your French doors here that open right on out to your own private terrace that overlooks the creek and a small sitting area. This is the perfect spot for your morning cup of coffee. This room is very minimalist and modern, with neutral tones of grays, whites, and beiges. You have a very luxurious king-size canopy bed here on top of a beautiful area rug and hardwood flooring. You have a wall-mounted television paired with a lounging chair in the corner here, perfect for reading a book. And then as soon as you walk into your in-suite primary bathroom, you have his and hers vanity sinks with large mirrors and sleek white cabinetry and marble countertops. And then you have a combination tub and shower that is just so luxurious. And then right on next to our primary, you will find our double twin bedroom that has its own private patio, a wall-mounted TV, and an in-suite bathroom. This is absolutely perfect if you're here with kids or a larger group. And now traveling on the other side of the house here, take a peek at this amazing huge American flag placed on the wall. And beyond that hallway, you're gonna find 2 additional suites, both with king-size canopy beds, in-suite bathrooms, and private balconies. Your comfort is our top priority in every Wander house, so we make sure that all of our bedrooms and mattresses use the latest in sleep technology so that you can control it from plush to firm depending on your taste, so that you wake up super refreshed and revitalized. In addition to that, we actually have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, so if you are like me and always forget to pack your phone charger, there's no need to stress. And then you will find our 5th and final bedroom located in the guest cottage on the outside of the house. Let's go take a peek. You have a king-size canopy bed along with gorgeous furniture and decor, giving it a really nice farmhouse feel in here. You have French doors opening out to a private patio overlooking the nature surrounding the house. You have your very own kitchenette and a beautiful in-suite bathroom that I have to show you. Come on, let's go. This bathroom is by far my favorite, and it's definitely set apart from the other bathrooms within the house. You have so much bright white in here, a luxury shower, and of course, a large soaking porcelain tub with the most amazing view of the trees and bushes outside. I mean, this is the height of luxury. In every Wander bathroom, you are going to find very high-end amenities like shampoos, body washes, and conditioners, and these are all hand-picked items to ensure the highest level of quality. You're also going to be able to wrap yourself up in very plush towels, robes, and slippers. And I mean, come on, who doesn't love being able to put on a very cozy and comfortable robe and feeling completely pampered? Since Sonoma is known for its natural beauty and contemporary styles, all of the decor and materials in this home, such as all of the pottery, farmhouse touches, and art pieces on the walls you're gonna see, reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. One amenity you will love is your laundry room here with 2 sets of washers and dryers, an iron, and everything you're gonna need to go along with that. You can elevate your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items such as high chairs, cribs, and children's utensils within the kitchen. So those are just some items you do not have to worry about packing on your getaway. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But if you are looking for more specific help, our Wander concierge team can help you. Just simply text them at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you are planning a dream wedding, an epic family reunion, a bachelor or bachelorette party, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Sonoma Creek. With our house tour complete, we're gonna go get into all the adventures that await us here in Sonoma. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in wine country. We'll see you soon.